Hi everybody, here we are at 135th Street in New York City, Harlem, at Frederick Douglass Boulevard. Okay, are you ready for another Super Tow adventure? Well, let's get started. Go Super Tow! Whoa, so fast. Okay, we gotta stop and wait for the light though. You know, we can't cross the road unless it tells us it's safe. And right now, the orange hand says no. At St. Nicholas and 135th Street. Wait for it. There it goes. Alright, here we are. 135th Street station. We're going to take the B or the C to 125th Street. And then we're going to take the D train. Here we go. What? Wait. It's closed. This station is closed. No downtown trains. Oh. What are we gonna do? 125th Street is 10 whole blocks away. I guess we'll have to walk it up the stairs. Sigh. Wait, what am I worried about? We've got Super Tows! Let's do it! You ready to get to 125th Street fast? Tappity tap! Whoa! Hey, I hear the subway down there. That's a train I can't take. Oh well. Wow, we walked those 10 blocks super fast. Now we're going to take the D train to the 125th Street station. We're going to go all the way to Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue. That is a really long ride. Ready? Let's swipe the Metro card. Oh, we missed it. There, got it that time. Okay. Wow, there are a lot of shoes waiting to ride the 125th Street trains. How are you guys doing?
We're doing good. We're going to ride the C train.
You gonna ride the B train?
Yeah, we're gonna ride the B train.
Okay, well I'm gonna ride the D train really far. Oh, look at that, the C train. Could have used you at 135th Street C train. That's okay, I forgive you. But I'm not gonna ride you. I'm waiting for the D train. That's the express track. But the C train is stopping on the express track. Bye-bye, C train. Okay, maybe not. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye, C train. Time to make room for the D train. Ooh. Let's do the Super Tow dance. Shoes. Dance. Nobody wants to dance with me. Oh, what's that? A train? Is that our train? That is our train. That's our D train. Get ready for a long, fun ride. Ready? Wait for it to open. Wait for people to come out. And here we go. Look at that. Not a lot of people. Let's get a nice window seat. So nice. All right. Bye-bye, 125th Street Station. Hello, 59th Street. That's the next stop on this express train. Here we go. That's the great thing about the A and the D train. They run express all the way from 125th Street to 59th Street, Columbus Circle. So it should be fast. We'll see. Oh, look how fast we're going. Bye-bye, station. Bye-bye. Not stopping here. Pretty blue lights going by. Go, go, super toe! Fast, fast, fast. We're going so fast. I wish the train went this fast without my super toe speed. See ya! Bye, station. Another station we're not stopping at. What? What was that? I like watching the people in the train and the outside of the train go by at the same time. '96th Street. Why are we stopping? Ah, train traffic ahead of us. Okay. Tappity tap. Oh, look at all the lights. I think they might be working on the track in the tunnel. Let's see. Those look like work lights. Yeah, they are working on the track inside the tunnel. Look at that work train. So neat. I wonder if we'll see workers, people working in the tunnel. Wow, that's a lot of garbage. Messy people dropping stuff on the tracks. Hey, there's a worker. Wow. We get a really good view of inside the tunnel, and it looks so messy. I hope they're cleaning it. It looks like they're replacing the tracks. Very good. New tracks always run smooth. They're doing some really good work. Yeah, we don't want to tappity-tap through this, because we want the workers to be very safe. So we're gonna go slow past the work. Also, we get to look at the inside of the tunnel, which is something we don't usually get to do. Look at him go. Like another station. The 86th Street station. I guess it's not operational. No downtown trains at that station either. Ooh, okay, I think we're past the work now. No, maybe this is the last work train. Okay, I think that's all. Alright. What do you say? Tappity tap? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's more like it. 81st Street. That was 81st Street. Let's do a little super toe dance while we wait. Dubstep. Alright, that's enough of that. Tappity tap. Look how fast. Okay, here we are at 59th Street, the next official stop on the D train. But we're not getting off here. No. We're going express today. Let's change to this seat so we can see the station. Bye-bye, 59th Street. Okay. Bye-bye, 59th Street. Anytime now. Oh, okay, there we go. Bye-bye 59th Street. That's a big station. Columbus Circle has a lot of trains that stop at it. This is 7th Avenue in Manhattan. Boy, this window sure is dirty, isn't it? We're lucky we can see anything at all, it looks like. Alright. Go, go, Super Toe! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey look, it's the F train! Our arch nemesis, the F train. Always winning. Still winning. Still going faster than us. Gosh darn F train. Why does it go so fast and we go so slow? Hey, that guy's listening to music. I wonder if he's listening to the same music I'm listening to. Okay, let's go. I'm tired of this. Tappity tap. Hey, what train is that? It's the F train. We caught up to the F train. I wonder if we'll go faster this time. Yep, we're leaving you. Bye, F train. We're going express today. Whoa. So express. Ah, that's a neat perspective. Everything going past. Everybody sitting still inside. Not a lot of people riding the train today. It's a good day to ride the train. A crowded subway is a difficult subway to ride. Fourth Street, Herald Square. Not getting off here either, but we're that much closer to Brooklyn. Another Super Toe dance? Yeah, okay, let's do it. Okay, maybe I don't feel like dancing so much. Let's go to this seat and have a look out the window here. Gotta love these shoes. Makes the train ride go by much faster. We could just stop at the interesting parts. Not interesting enough. Bye-bye. Aw, look look at this guy. He looks so sad. Why are you so sad, guy? We're riding the D train. You should be happy. This is Grand Street. The last stop in Manhattan. See? Grand Street. The next stop is gonna be in Brooklyn. That's where we're going. Aw, poor guy. He looks so sad. Anything I can do to cheer you up? No? There's somebody who might want to cheer you up. No? You don't want to help cheer him up? Oh, okay. Boy, looking at that sad guy makes me sad. I wonder if there's something we can do to cheer him up when we get past Grand Street. What do you say? Maybe you just need some sunlight? Huh, guy? Maybe it's just too dark for you. Yeah? Well, we're about to go across the bridge. Isn't that exciting? We're about to go across the Manhattan Bridge. All the pretty lights don't have any effect on you, really? Look at them go. Here we go, sunlight. Ooh, I feel happy again. Nothing like crossing the Manhattan Bridge. Let's play some appropriate bridge music. Let's go look out the window over here. We can see the city. Manhattan as we're about to leave it. We can see the walkway on the Manhattan Bridge where people ride bikes and walk. There goes a person walking right now. Hey, look! You can barely see it over there, but there's the Williamsburg Bridge. Way off in the distance. Williamsburg Bridge is there, bridge is there, bridge is there. Williamsburg Bridge is there. We're on the Manhattan Bridge. Manhattan Bridge is fun, bridge is fun, bridge is fun. I like sunlight, I like sun, I like sunlight. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba da ba da ba. Ah, here we are on the Brooklyn side. Brooklyn side, Brooklyn side, Brooklyn side. Here we are on the Brooklyn side. I guess we're about to go underground now. Are we? Looks like it. Here we go, I see it. Here we go, back underground. No more bridge music. Something upbeat. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Go, go, super toe speed.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Loo, loo, let's all move. Loo, loo, let's sit down here and look out.
Cows in the pasture,
Lulu, skip to my train. Lulu, skip to my train. Train riding is really fun.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
Go, go, super toe speed.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Blue shoes, skip to my loo. Blue shoes, skip to my loo. Go, go, super toe speed. Whoa! Look at that!
Lost my part.
Those are
What'll
real
I do?
trains,
Lost
not
my
subway
part.
trains.
What'll I do? Lost my
Those are
part.
real train
What'll I do?
tracks.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Wow, I wonder what's inside those cargo cars.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Found my partner,
So
love is
neat.
true. Found my
I didn't know the
love is
subway
true.
ran along
Found
regular
my
train
partner,
tracks.
love is true. Skip to my loo,
Looks like
my
they parked their
darling.
rocks on this track too.
Skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Wow, this is so neat. I don't think I've been here before. Such interesting sights to see. What station is this? 8th Avenue in Brooklyn. On the D train. Let's go over here and check it out. Looks like the N train stops here too. Bye-bye, N train. Wow, so many neat underpasses here. Look at all the train tracks. Let's go faster. Tappity tap. Whoa, look at it all pass by. Wow, it's like we're going on a real train through the country. But it's the D train. So many interesting stops with a lot of interesting graffiti. I mean, maybe people shouldn't draw on walls, but it still looks kind of cool to me. And look at all the train tracks stacked up there. You see the train tracks stacked on each other? I wonder if those are old or new. I guess they'll use those later, or not. Maybe they'll recycle them. Hey, our depressed guy has been replaced with the lady in red. She doesn't look so depressed. She looks pretty happy. I think she's reading something. Hey there, what you reading? Reading about trains? No? Okay. Wow, that's an interesting station. I like the archways. Such a neat adventure. Still reading, huh? Thank you for joining me on this train ride, Lady in Red. You want me to sing you a song? Let's sing a song. Lady in Sitting in front of me in the train. Lady in red, lady in red, lady in red, looking out the window. Graffiti and train tracks. Such an interesting adventure. So much fun. That's right. Hooray! Outside in the beautiful sunlight. Not in a dark tunnel. And now we're in a dark tunnel. Okay. I guess I spoke too soon. Aw, the lady in red is gone. But I'm still singing for you. Okay. I guess I'll sing about trains instead. Riding the train, riding the train, riding the train, the D train to Coney Island. Riding the train, the D train express doesn't go express after 36th Street in Brooklyn. Another stop, another station. Still not getting off here. No way. Gonna keep going. Gonna keep riding. All the way to Coney Island. Stillwell Avenue. Well, that was fun. Now what? Okay, this is fun music. Let's just listen to it and enjoy our little train ride. I don't know where we are right now, but I sure am having fun. Watching the world go by. Look at those buildings up there. Look at houses up there. What? Wow, looks like a lot of the same houses up there. And a lot of construction on the tracks. Ooh, are we stopping again? Are we stopping at another station? Ooh, what is that? Looks like an N train. Bye-bye, N train. We're at King's Highway on the D train. Never been here before. Bye-bye, King's Highway. Hey, curly hair lady. What are you doing? Riding the train with me? Well, this is fun. Look how fast we're going, right? Wow, that wall sure is whizzing by. We're having fun. Are we the only people on the train? You and me? Is this the beginning of a romantic interlude? Maybe not. Wow, that wall is whizzing by so fast. '86th Street. I think we're getting close. What do you think? And away we go again. Bye-bye, 86th Street. Wow, this is a big station. Oh, look at that fence. They really don't want people getting into the tracks. 2 fences to make sure people stay out and don't throw stuff on the tracks. Boy, we're going slow now. But this is okay because I think it's pretty interesting. I've never been here before. So I'm just gonna look at everything and enjoy it. It really feels like we're on a regular train going through the countryside. Whoop, dropped something. Don't want to drop that. Let's go to this side and look out the window. Oh, an elevated track. And it looks like more trains over there parked. Wow, that is a big railway area. And we've stopped for no reason. I'm sure there's some reason, but we stopped. Let's have a look around. Cloudy day. Look at the tracks. They look pretty old, and there sure are a lot of rocks. Wonder when we're going to start moving again. One day now. There we go. Moving again. Right past the N train. Now let's walk over here. Wow, look at all the D trains. Look at all the trains parked that are not in use right now. That's where they keep them when they're not riding on the tracks. Wow, so neat. A utility area. Big trucks and construction stuff. This is such an interesting area. So industrial. Let's look out this window again. Oh, okay. Now it doesn't feel like we're in the country. I know those apartment buildings. Those are in Coney Island. So that means we're really close. Let's celebrate with some really happy, upbeat music. We just had a long trip. And we're pulling in slowly to the Coney Island Stillwell Avenue station. Sure are a lot of tracks. There's the station. Ever so slowly. The Q, D, N, and F trains all start at Coney Island Stillwell Avenue in Brooklyn. It's a big station. See, there's a control house, and there's the label, Coney Island Stillwell Avenue. And there's the F train. Oh wow, that was so much fun. Here we are. You ready? You ready to complete our adventure today? Wait for the door. There it goes. We're here. Yay! Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue. We did it. Let's go up the stairs and have a look. It's such a big station. Let's get a better view of it. There it is. Wow, look at how huge. So many trains stop here. Oh, wow. Top of the world, Ma. Well, everybody, thanks for joining me on a very long Super Tow adventure. Till next time. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Go, Super Tow, subscribe. Bye-bye.